In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Cash App to your Twitter account, which is also known as X now. So what you want to do is swipe left, or you can tap the icon in the top left of the screen. From here, you can go to your profile, and you'll see towards the top right next to my edit profile button, there's a little cash icon. And if I tap on that, you can see that I've linked my Cash App. So when people tap on this, it will take them directly to my Cash App. Because I'm logged in on my own Cash App, it looks a little bit different. But here's how you can set this up. What you want to do is go to edit profile. At the very bottom, you'll see a thing called tips. You can tap on that. From here, you can turn on or off the tips with the toggle. And then you can begin to add places where you accept tips. So I've added my Cash App. All you need to do is tap on Cash App, and then you can put in your cash tag here. To find your cash tag, you can come to Cash App. You can tap the icon in the top right corner, and it's going to show you right here under your name. So just add that same name here on Twitter, go back, and you're good to go. You can start accepting tips on Twitter by connecting your Cash App. Hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.